This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. To begin with, I recommend that you turn on Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Then among the control panel shortcuts, find the one that says nearby share, then touch and hold at its icon. In order to activate the nearby share, just turn on the switch. At this point, the feature is active and is ready to be used, but there are still a few things you can configure. For example, you can rename the device, which I'm going to do. I'll rename it to 9 Pro, let's say. Then turn on or turn off the device visibility and change the data mode that is going to be used for the file transfer. So now let me just quickly test this feature out, see how well it works. So let's say I will try to share this screenshot, send it from my Lenovo tablet to the REALME phone. So our device was successfully discovered. Now we gotta accept the file transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the photo to get sent and received respectively, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.